Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about data interoperability in IIoT using the Unified Namespace. Now, why do you need data interoperability? The manufacturing environment typically consists of heterogeneous systems where different data formats are used in different systems, different connectivity interfaces are used in different systems. So for these systems to be able to exchange information and understand each other, it is important to standardize on the data formats and also standardize on the connectivity interface. Number two, to be able to enable real-time decision-making, interoperability is very key so that all these systems are reduced to plug and play and there is no effort that is required to convert from one system to the other. Now, how does a unified namespace enable interoperability? The key aspect of the unified namespace is that you are going to have to define your data models or your type definitions. For example, you want to be able to define how a compressor looks like, and you also want to be able to define how a downtime event looks like. And then once you define that, if it is consistently implemented across your unified namespace architecture or your manufacturing organizations, then all systems that are consuming compressor-related information or downtime-related information are able to consume all of this information because they anticipate how that information is going to be structured. The next key aspect of how the unified namespace enables interoperability, it is this idea of centralized data access. So without the unified namespace, the data exists in many different servers where there is no unified information and there is no one endpoint where you can go to find all of this information that has been organized and easily consumable. Now, the unified namespace standardizes the information model and the data structure in a centralized single repository of information that allows all participants within your network to be able to subscribe to the MQTT platform that provides that unified namespace and be able to interoperate or exchange this information that has been standardized through the unified namespace. And more importantly, the unified namespace allows the sharing of all of this information in real time, which enables the real-time decision-making. As you create data models and type definitions for integration into the unified namespace, this creates high-quality data and information. And moreover, you're able to validate all of this information that is entering the unified namespace. So at the end of the day, you've got high-quality data and you've got consistent information that also enables interoperability within your architecture. If you find this video useful, please like, comment, and share with your connections. And watch out for our YouTube channel for more videos on the unified namespace.